We got Hamilton and the Hamsters. Where are they from? It's Canada. We got Hamilton and hopscotch and hot rod on a learning journey. Come along with us in Canada, where we learn and we have fun. We're gonna jam to some songs with Hamilton and the Hamsters. Put your hands together for Hamilton and the Hamsters.
Whoa, guys, I know the food all looks tasty, but we gotta wait. It's for the learning we're gonna do. Today's episode is all about food. It's about cooking it and eating it. So those are some of our favorite things, and maybe some cool Canada facts about food. Today, we're gonna pack for our picnic. Some would even call it a picnic boogie. Picnic's kind of when you bring some food out on a nice walk and you go eat it outside. Some people bring a basket, a nice blanket. You can picnic any way you want. Just make sure that you always bring some nice bread with you. And we've got a little bit of our fruits here. Maybe some vegetables. Delicious. You guys love your vegetables. Can't forget the watermelon. And a sandwich. My favorite. Well, I can't wait to see what we do and how awesome our picnic is and all the food episode. Yeah!
So many things to eat, so many things to try. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner on plate, I'll be a happy guy. I love fruits, I love vegetables too. I love cooking in the afternoon. What would you bring on a picnic with me and you? We would bring bread, and we will bring grapes. We will bring sandwiches, and eat them on a plate. We will bring juice, and we will bring cookies. That's what we'd have at our picnic boogie. We could go out in the morning time too. What would we bring then? Do we need more fruit? I love to eat. Yum, yum. Woohoo! What would you bring for the breakfast boogie? We could bring bacon, and we could get eggs too. Waking up early, cock-a-doodle-doo. We could bring sausage and French toast, pancakes, and waffles. That's what we'd have at our breakfast picnic boogie. So many things to eat, so many things to try. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner on my plate, I'll be one happy guy. I love fruits, I love vegetables too, but I love cooking for dinner too. What would you bring to the dinner boogie? We could have spaghetti or burgers with cheese. It's time for dinner with you and me. We could have tacos. Oh, chicken, yes, please. That's what we'd have at our dinner boogie. What would you bring to the breakfast boogie? French toast! And what would you bring to the lunch boogie? Sandwiches! Oh, that's great. And what would we bring to a dinner boogie? Tacos! Woo-hoo! So many things to eat, so many things to try. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner on my plate, I'll be a happy guy. I love fruits, I love vegetables too, but I love cooking just with you. I'm so glad we had a picnic boogie.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another Hot Rod movie. Today we're talking about one of my favorite things of all time, food. I absolutely love food so much that I could not bring any to be here with me today. Otherwise I would have devoured in an instant, you see? Instead I brought a picture with me, just one right over here. Perfect. Over here we got a picture of my most favorite, most scrumptious dish in all of Canada, poutine. Poutine is one of my absolute favorite dishes. It consists of French fries topped with gravy and cheese curds melted throughout by the hot, hot gravy poured over top. It's an absolutely most delicious dish that you can find anywhere. Never be afraid to try new flavor combinations. You know, sometimes something salty will taste even better when you got something sweet right next to it. Thinking of which, you think poutine would go well with maple syrup? One Canadian icon with another? For our most delicious, most scrumptious team up? Now I think I gotta try this. I'll be right back, everybody.
Did you know that Canada produces 80% of the world's maple syrup? And maple syrup was actually originally created by the indigenous people of North America.
Wow, it's so fun learning about food and eating food, but we haven't quite talked about cooking food. And I'm here with the chef, Freddie. How's it going?
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing so good. We're so happy you could join us today. And do you have a favorite dish that you like cooking?
Well, actually, I do home cooking more than anything.
Yeah.
I cook for the family.
Oh, that's the best kind of cooking. I think sharing it with your loved ones and your friends, even if it's not at a restaurant, if it's just at home, that's just as awesome. So you guys lots of sauces and things like that, or any rice?
Main staples that I use is potatoes and rice.
Okay.
Sometimes pasta.
Oh.
But the combination of some, would you say, chilies.
Okay.
That make the difference for the flavor on the food.
Yeah, so you can kind of change it as it goes. And what's so cool is that rice and potatoes, those can be made in so many different ways. There's things like rice pudding. There's things like French fries, that comes with potatoes, or mashed potatoes. There's so many different options with food. And I think that's what's cool, is you can make same ingredients, but a couple of chilies or spices, you can change the whole entire flavor, I would say.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely, because
Are we talking food?
Oh,
Yeah.
my hamsters, yeah.
Love food.
They love to eat. They mainly eat nuts and things like that.
Nom 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 nom.
But maybe Freddie one day can cook us something really good up. What would you guys like that? Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
especially vegetarians.
Yeah, there we go. You guys mainly, what do you love to eat? You don't really eat much meat or soups. You guys more like to eat lettuce, carrots, things like that.
Love me some good old bagels.
Yeah, there we go. And what made you start cooking? Did you grow up in a family with lots of household cooking and you thought, I'm going to do that for my family one day?
Yeah, definitely, because when I was a child, I used to go to the market with my aunt and my grandmother and see what to buy. So I learned there how to buy stuff.
Yeah.
And then at home, help them to prepare, the basic thing like you learn peeling potatoes.
Yeah.
And Grandma used to say sometimes like, you are losing half of the potato when you peel it off, because I had no experience at all.
You're just right out there at the start, losing them all. Yeah, so it's good that you can get practice and slowly build your way up, and then one day, next thing you know, maybe your grandchildren have been learning from you on things like that and losing half the potatoes while peeling.
Cooking is a passion.
Yeah.
That's what I say, I learned when I was a kid, and then preparing meals at home, you have to learn the basics, right?
Yes.
So not to manhandle the supplies,
Yeah.
learn hygiene.
That's one of the
and
most important parts.
Learn safety, because handling a knife is something not many people know, and that's why accidents occur.
Yeah, that's dangerous. So you can start cooking at any age, but maybe be with someone who can handle the knife and the scary parts while you're still learning your basics until you're ready at home. Well, it's been so great to learn with you, and thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
No, it doesn't exactly work. Hamilton, it's good to see you. I'm glad you're here.
Yeah.
I'm having a real tough time. You hear?
What's up, Hot Rod?
Oh, well, you know me, how much I love my food. Every single one of them's just so nice.
It's true.
I'm trying to narrow down my favorites, but I think I gotta find a good way to categorize them.
Okay. And you're not thinking breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You're thinking maybe a different way to categorize them.
Yeah, no, some stuff is just too similar. Like, I can't have milk in the same category with sausage.
Okay, I think you're maybe thinking of the 5 food groups. Yeah.
What's that, Hamilton?
There's 5 different main food groups that consist of the things that we oftentimes are eating. So there's some different ones here. So for example, we've got proteins. That's something your body needs for your energy.
Oh, wow.
You can find that in some meats or some nuts, some almonds, things like that. Very delicious. I think you'd love that, especially you're always eating those kind of things.
Always.
But another one I know you love is your carbohydrates.
Ooh, my favorite. What are carbohydrates?
Carbohydrates are your wheats, your breads, the stuff, maybe pasta, fills you up.
Oh, I love pasta. I wish they would just make a big old factory to just give me all the pasta.
Oh, yes, the pasta factory would be your favorite. But we've got our proteins, carbohydrates, and another one I know you love, fruits and vegetables.
I love fruits and vegetables.
Do you have a favorite?
Oh, but of course, cucumber.
Oh, delicious. Great choice. That's one of my favorites as well. Carrots, delicious too.
Oh, yeah.
And so now we've got 3 out of 5.
Yeah, you got any more for me, Hamilton?
I know you as well love dairy. That's where we find our cheeses, even milk or a milkshake. I know you love that.
Now I'm starting to get hungry.
And one of your other favorites, I think they all might actually be your favorite now that I've been listing them all out. You love to eat, and hey, so do I. And these food groups are what make up a lot of the foods that we eat. The 5th food group is fats. Oh, so in there, you're finding things like your butters, the stuff that's a little thicker and things like that.
Oh, that sounds of the most delicious. I absolutely love food, and maybe now I can narrow it down and see which ones are my favorites.
Yeah, exactly. So we can always look at those 5 food groups to make sure we're getting a little bit of everything. You don't want to have a day that's just all carbohydrates. You're only eating bread, pasta. Oh, you'd feel a little too full in that little tummy of yours.
Yeah, I think you might be right.
So you need a balance of every little thing to have a very well-balanced, nutritious diet.
Hey, that's really great and helpful.
Yeah.
This whole learning stuff really is fun. Hey, Hamilton.
It is. I'm glad I could help you with your categories of food. And now we should go enjoy a delicious picnic. What do you think?
Oh, I think that sounds great. Let's get a healthy balance in.
Oh, let's do it.
Incoming call from Dolly.
Dolly's on a journey and she's giving us a call. Dolly's a hamster so cute and so small. Where's Dolly?
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Dolly. I'd love to stay and talk, but I've got dinner reservations going to get seafood here in Prince Edward Island. They're known for that over here. Well, bye-bye.
Wow, I love food so much. There's so many different foods to eat. So many different foods to try. I'm actually quite excited because it's my birthday pretty soon. And me and my dad are preparing some sandwiches for a big feast for all of us and the hamsters. Food is so awesome, and it can bring people together. There's so many different ways you can eat it, and so many things to try. But I think one thing is really important, and that's to keep an open mind. You know, when I was younger, I used to not like Brussels sprouts one bit. And I know it sounds kind of mean, but I really didn't like them. I just despised it. I thought they were stinky, and they're weird and green. I just don't know. I didn't really like them. But one day, there I was at dinner. I thought, hey, let's put aside my disliking, give a Brussels sprout a quick try. There it is on my fork. I throw it in my mouth. Delicious. Wait, delicious? I thought I hated Brussels sprouts. I thought I didn't like them. But it was good. To my surprise, trying something new paid off in a great way. It's always good to try new things and go out of your comfort zone a little bit. Maybe try it. I know it looks green and strange, but I changed my mind. Sometimes things change. Sometimes something's made for you, even if you thought it might look icky. It could be delicious. There's so many different foods to try, and it's awesome when you can try something new and get a new experience from it. Now, I get to try so many different cool foods from different cultures here at even a festival in Edmonton, my hometown, Taste of Edmonton. So many different foods there, different cultures, different restaurants, they all show up. You get these tickets, you get to go try so much different cool food. It's delicious. My mouth is watering thinking about it. I love food, and I love trying new things, seeing new textures and flavors and everything jumping around in your mouth as you're eating it. It's like a whole new experience. It's more than just for filling the belly. It does a good job of that too. It's also, though, for the enjoyment, excitement, and a new experience. Keep eating, keep having fun, and try new things.